The LUH is a 3-ton class utility helicopter indigenously designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and meets the requirements of both military and civil operators. And there she goes, vertically up in a spiral, 360 degrees in the turn. There she is, dipping her nose, accelerating smoothly to maneuvering speeds. As the LUH prepares for the wing over, the pilots make a sharp pitch up to 60 degrees, hit the pedals coming out left and dive right back. You can hear the main rotor blades of LUH slapping the air into submission as she speeds away to the next maneuver. Of flying to his credit. Sharing the cockpit is Wing Commander Subhash P. John, retired Vayusena Medal and Chief Test Pilot HAL, who has amassed more than 7,500 hours of flight. Ladies and gentlemen, the LUH accelerates away, positioning for the most challenging stall turns. You will now notice the LUH climbing up steeply as it bleeds off its speed to 0 and with a sharp rudder turn accelerates downwards. Wasn't that breathtaking? A challenging maneuver executed with ease by the brilliant pilots and made possible by the unique design. And here it is, going for the signature maneuver once again right in front of us. As the old adage goes, save the best for the last. Towards the end of this segment, we shall now witness the LUH move precipitously, building momentum to perform the zoom climb. This maneuver is carried out to gain altitude in the shortest possible time. The helicopter will execute a steep, rapid ascent to gain altitude and level off at the top into a high hover. Tense poses exerted on the helicopter during a zoom climb demonstrate the robust airframe design and a powerful but nimble rotor which puts complete freedom in the hands of the pilot to focus on the mission. Example of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the LUH symbolizes India's growing strength in helicopter design and manufacture. And that, ladies and gentlemen, marks the brilliant end of the display by LUH.